Have you ever wondered why some rooms make you feel instantly anxious or completely at ease without any obvious reason? Why does your workspace energize you one day and drain you the next? The answer lies in your environment. Every detail, from clutter on your desk to lighting, colors, and layout, silently communicates with your brain, influencing your mood, focus, and energy levels. In this video, we'll uncover how your surroundings shape your mental state without you noticing, and explore practical ways to design spaces that reduce stress, boost productivity, and support your emotional well-being. 1. Clutter reflects cognitive overload. The state of your physical space often mirrors the state of your mind in ways that are subtle but profoundly revealing. Piles of unfinished paperwork, laundry, or scattered items don't simply indicate laziness or lack of discipline. They reveal cognitive overload, decision fatigue, and emotional exhaustion. When your brain is burdened with too many mental tasks, it offloads some of that stress onto your surroundings, creating a physical representation of internal chaos. Every item left unaddressed, whether it's an unopened envelope, a misplaced book, or a stack of dishes, acts as a tiny, unresolved decision, continuously drawing on your attention and mental energy. Even if you aren't consciously aware of each item, your nervous system notices, subtly heightening stress and making it harder to focus or engage with important tasks. Over time, this constant, low-level mental load can accumulate, leaving you mentally fatigued, less motivated, and prone to irritability. The clutter around you becomes both a signal and a source of cognitive strain. Recognizing the link between clutter and cognitive load is the first step toward transforming your environment into a tool that supports mental clarity rather than drains it. By intentionally addressing the physical spaces you inhabit, you begin to relieve the subconscious tension associated with unresolved tasks. Even small interventions, sorting a pile of mail, organizing your workspace, or dedicating a few minutes to tidying a single area, can create a ripple effect, reducing perceived mental burden and restoring a sense of control. Your environment doesn't just reflect your mental state, it actively influences it. When organized thoughtfully, it can signal safety, order, and focus, allowing your brain to allocate resources toward creativity, problem-solving, and emotional regulation. By viewing your surroundings as a mirror and a tool, you can cultivate spaces that actively nurture your cognitive and emotional well-being, making mental clarity and calm more accessible on a daily basis. 2. Lighting and mood regulation. Lighting has a profound but often overlooked impact on mood, alertness, and overall mental health. Natural light exposure during the day helps regulate circadian rhythms, which dictates sleep-wake cycles, hormone production, and energy levels. It also boosts vitamin D synthesis, which plays a role in mood regulation and immune function, and improves focus, cognitive performance, and alertness. On the other hand, dim or harsh artificial lighting can subtly elevate stress, increase feelings of fatigue or lethargy, and even contribute to low mood or irritability. The color temperature of light also plays a significant role. Warm tones are comforting, calming, and conducive to relaxation, while cooler tones encourage alertness, concentration, and productivity. Poor lighting can trigger stress responses unconsciously, causing your brain to perceive the environment as less safe or less energizing, even if you aren't consciously aware of it. In addition, the direction and intensity of light influence perception and behavior. Glare or uneven lighting can increase eye strain, tension headaches, and feelings of discomfort, whereas well-balanced light can improve task efficiency and overall comfort. Incorporating natural sunlight through windows, skylights, or outdoor breaks aligns the environment with your brain's natural rhythms, supporting cognitive performance, emotional regulation, and energy levels throughout the day. Thoughtful lighting design, including adjustable intensity, strategic placement, and complementary color tones, transforms your space into one that actively nurtures well-being, mood stability, and mental clarity. By becoming mindful of light exposure and intentionally modifying your surroundings, you create conditions that help your mind feel awake, alert, and resilient. 3. Color psychology in everyday spaces. The colors surrounding you have a subtle but powerful impact on emotions, behavior, and even motivation. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows can increase energy, excitement, and stimulation, making them ideal for creative or social spaces. But if overused, they may also elevate stress or anxiety levels. Cooler shades such as blues, greens, and soft neutrals promote relaxation, calmness, and mental clarity, which can be excellent for bedrooms, meditation areas, or spaces requiring focused concentration. But if dominant in workspaces, they may inadvertently dampen energy and drive. Beyond walls, colors in furniture, decor, textiles, and everyday objects also unconsciously influence your daily state. Even small accents, like a bright throw pillow or a desk accessory, can subtly affect how alert or relaxed you feel. Psychological studies have shown that people respond to color at both conscious and subconscious levels, altering mood, decision-making, and physiological responses without realizing it. By intentionally choosing color palettes that align with your goals, calming tones in relaxation areas, energizing tones in creative or active spaces, you can support productivity, emotional regulation, and focus. Lighting interacts with color as well. The same shade can feel warm or cold depending on illumination, further shaping perception and mood. Over time, creating an environment with mindful color choices fosters a subconscious sense of balance and control, subtly reinforcing desired mental states and enhancing overall well-being and performance throughout your day. 4. Noise levels and cognitive load. Sound is another critical environmental factor that affects mental health. Constant background noise, whether from electronics, traffic, or household activity, can elevate stress hormones, reduce concentration, and impair emotional regulation. Even low-level ambient noise can increase cognitive load, making it harder to focus or process complex tasks. Conversely, controlled auditory environments, such as quiet spaces, nature sounds, or soft instrumental music, can enhance focus, creativity, and emotional calm. Understanding how noise interacts with your mental state allows you to design spaces that either reduce unnecessary stimulation or intentionally provide auditory cues that promote desired emotional and cognitive outcomes. 5. Spatial organization and movement. How your space is arranged impacts not only efficiency, but also mental clarity. Crowded or poorly organized areas can create feelings of tension and restriction, whereas open, uncluttered spaces promote mental clarity and a sense of freedom. Spatial organization affects how easily you move between tasks and how your brain perceives boundaries. Defined zones for work, rest, and leisure help the nervous system distinguish between different mental states, reducing cognitive conflict. Small adjustments, like positioning furniture to create clear pathways or creating dedicated areas for specific activities, can dramatically improve mental flow and emotional balance. 6. Environmental cues and habit formation. Your environment is filled with cues that influence behavior and emotional state, often without conscious awareness. Objects, layouts, or even scents can trigger habitual responses, from reaching for snacks to sitting at a desk in a certain posture. Positive cues, like leaving water or exercise equipment visible, can encourage healthy habits, while negative cues, such as cluttered surfaces or visible distractions, can reinforce procrastination or stress. By analyzing how your surroundings trigger specific mental and behavioral patterns, you can deliberately design spaces that support productivity, emotional regulation, and personal development, rather than perpetuating stress or low motivation. 7. Nature and biophilic design. Incorporating elements of nature into your environment, plants, natural materials, water features, or even views of outdoor spaces, has measurable effects on mental health. Exposure to natural elements reduces cortisol, enhances attention, and promotes relaxation. Biophilic design leverages this by creating environments that mimic natural patterns, textures, and lighting to subtly improve mood and cognitive performance. Even small interventions, such as adding a plant to your desk or opening a window for fresh air, can create restorative effects, reduce mental fatigue, and increase feelings of well-being without requiring large lifestyle changes. 8. Personalized spaces for emotional alignment. Finally, the spaces you inhabit should reflect your goals, values, and personal comfort preferences. Personalization, from meaningful objects to color schemes, layouts, and organization systems, can provide psychological safety, enhance motivation, and reinforce identity. When your environment aligns with your internal state and aspirations, it becomes a tool for emotional regulation and personal growth. Conversely, living in spaces that feel discordant, impersonal, or chaotic can subconsciously heighten stress, reduce focus, and erode emotional resilience. Regularly evaluating and adjusting your environment ensures it supports, rather than undermines, your mental health and performance. So, there you have it, 8 ways your environment shapes your mood without you even noticing. From clutter and lighting to color, noise, and biophilic design, the spaces you occupy daily subtly influence your emotions, energy, and productivity. By becoming aware of these factors and making intentional adjustments, you can transform your surroundings into a supportive environment that enhances mental health and personal growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more psychology and self-improvement content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.